Hi, Saqlain.
Hi, ma'am.
How are
Good
you?
afternoon.
Good
Fine.
afternoon. Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side. Okay, before
Okay.
starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Saqlain, introduce yourself and about your college and native.
Myself, Mohammed Saqlain. I am from Raichur, ma'am. I recently completed BE from Government Engineering College, Raichur. After that, I joined here, ma'am, CMTI for 3 months course in IDM and BIM.
Okay, Saqlain, as you told, you have joined for interior designing plus BIM. How you got to know about this institute, CMTI Institute
From the college, ma'am.
from
From
college?
college.
Nice. Okay, that's nice. What are the new topics you have learned in this course?
About interiors, ma'am. Like I learned softwares, ma'am, different softwares like AutoCAD, SketchUp, V-Ray, Revit, Enscape, etc. And I learned different types of kitchens and dimensions, properties, core materials, and we have done site visits uh, and factory visits. I learned production process, site execution, cut list, drawing reading, etc.
Okay,
And
as you told, what are the site visits you have covered? What you have learned from the site visits and practical
uh,
knowledge?
I covered Inframarket, Glamwood, IKEA, then JD Cuisine. Then I visited Chick Tilly Kitchens, then Furniture Forum, etc. I have learned so many practical things. Uh, so many type. I have seen so many types of kitchens, laminates, finishes, how to design it, etc.
Okay, Sachin. What are the major difference you can see between the practical and theory classes? Which mode help you out more?
Both are helpful, ma'am. Theory and practical knowledge is helpful for us. Uh, Theory classes also same like practical only, man. Here, like trainers are very good and excellent, man.
How was your interview preparation? How you started for preparing yourself for the interview? What was the guidance given by the trainers to you? Okay, secondly, how was your interview preparation? How you started preparing yourself for the interview?
After the completion of course, ma'am, uh, interview preparation classes has started. In that, Emil Mani sir taken the mock interviews and taken 2 to 3 class about interviews, ma'am. How to prepare for interviews. Ashok sir also taken the classes for how to crack the interviews. After that, I gone to leave space for interview. Then I not shortlisted. After that, I attended the interview in Draft Torah and I got selected
Okay, Sachin, for which role you have selected for?
as a site supervisor.
Yeah, I think you're happy with your role and the placement.
Yes, ma'am. I'm happy.
Okay, Sachin, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMT and about your placements?
I want to say to my friends, this is the good CMTI is the good platform. In that, I got wings to fly in my professional fields, and I not have the knowledge about the interviews also. They enhance my skills to crack the interviews and grow in my professional fields.
Okay, Sachin, thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sachin.